So I'm just going to put an edge on that because I'm going to do a finishing cut, and I'm going to do the draw cut. The draw cut as a finishing cut is actually easier. The Japanese got it right with their tools. Their saw cuts on the pull stroke. Their plane cuts on the pull stroke. You have more control pulling something towards you than pushing it away, okay? So the push cut, if that was a solid piece of wood with no wings, I would consider the push cut. The difficulty in doing the push cut here is when you get past that point, it's cutting and missing, so the tool wants to tick, 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 and it can bounce off those wings off here. If I use the draw cut, I've got a lot more control. I can see what I'm doing, and literally I'm not moving my arms, it's my whole body that I'm moving. I've held the tool there, there, and there again. I use my body so much because it supports the tool. Move that to there, lift the tool rest a touch. I'm going to use the back of the wing, that left hand wing down the bottom, and it's almost a flat surface there. That's a very soft curve. I'm going to lift the tool. You can see it's a different colour because it's cutting more cleanly. If it's a lighter colour, the fibres are being torn more than cut. When you scrape, that surface would be lighter because it tears the fibres. I'm just letting the natural curve there hit the natural curve on this wing as well. One nice finishing cut. Wants to be a little bit deeper there. It's not enough of a curve, that's better. Then go back and just literally ease the tool out. Be quite critical about this curve, okay? So there we've got the curve 50, 50. That is balanced or reflected by that opposite. It's basically a sine, and that's your ogee, okay? I want you to leave half an inch up there. These little bits of wood, 2 inches is the right size for 7-inch square to give you the proportions of the piece. If you use a thicker piece, the box stands too high and it looks clumpy. It doesn't look refined, okay? This foot's going to be smaller anyway, so that will project more of a curve. We'll be taking the foot down to there at the very end. But this is the stage I would like you to get to. There's very little tear out. If there's a little bit of chatter there from the tool, but it's not torn out. That there, I can get, that would sand out, or a 180 grit would take that out straight away, or just blend it in. And you can blend that back in, okay? Try and get the best finish from the tool possible. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's chattering there. I need to lift the tool rest. But basically, guys, that's what you're going to do. I'll refine this a little bit more, and that's the shape that you're going to do.